And Mike is gonna prove his love to me by accomplishing the honey-do list that's a mile long.
Honey, do what I tell you or I'll kill you list.
It's nothing super exciting, just some small things. Well, in my head, they're small things. I'm sure for...
They're small.
Uh-huh.
But they ain't bad.
A few lighting things. Blinds. I'm really excited about the blinds. Our house gets so much natural light, especially as the sun is setting. It beams right into our windows. The blinds that we currently have suck. So we got some nicer ones that really block out the sunlight, and I'm pretty excited about it. I had a list. Hold on. 3 lights. What's the 3rd one?
Oh, in the cabinet.
Shh,
Nothing.
Don't tell them that.
Leave that out.
Curtains. I did have faucets on here, but then you were able to solve that water issue on this one. And
Shout out, Paul. Shout out, Paul. I know you watch.
Does that seem doable for today? Let me tell you my biggest priority when it comes to these lights. This one. I don't know why the builder or whoever rehabbed this house decided on this pendant. Show them why, honey.
No. Oh no.
Look at that.
Actually, seriously though, look. See, I can't close this.
Exactly. Look at that. Why?
Blocks my view. If you're over 6 foot, you can't see out the window.
The light has to change. Thankfully, I know an electrician. It's not you.
Oh, thank you.
Wait, come back. I need you. I've been hoarding this for over a year. I really like it. It's not antique. Pretty sure it was made in like 2015. At least that's what it says on the box. I thought it would be a great entry pendant or somewhere in the house. It would go well here, and I'd like to replace this boob light. Definitely has old nicotine stains on it. Like to replace with this, but I just found out that I think I'm missing 2 of the glass panels that would fit into here. If I can't find replacements that I can order, then we can't hang this. And I might have to look for something else. I know, so sad.
We gotta get a different light.
Already having to stop to go to Lowe's. I really don't think that light's gonna work. I might have to get something different. If it wasn't Saturday, I would call my glass guys. Hi, Miss Kitty. This is the kitty that we made the cat house for. Yes. Well, there's food up there for you in a kitty house. You wanna go check it out? Let's go check it out. Come on.
Miss Kitty. She don't want.
No, she doesn't.
The dogs aren't helping.
No. We'll be back soon.
It's Pride Rock.
So what were you talking about then for the other light?
I don't think this is where I want to look.
Okay. If I could find something with that finish, that's what I would love.
Maybe that wasn't all the options they had.
If that's the case, then I'm just gonna order something. See, there's that one up there at the top.
That one's pretty good.
And the only one I'm even halfway considering is that one for $69. Well, that sucks.
But we got these?
Yeah, to get those. That's good. Hey, I'm gonna go look at curtain rods. Now I'm debating just getting some drop cloths, washing them and using those as curtains temporarily, just because I don't want to invest too much. I think eventually I'll change them, but we need something. I would like something brass, but why does it gotta have the big white ball at the end? Why can't it just be something simple? They do too much. It's got a brushed pewter finish, and I don't really want that either. Do I want to go with brushed nickel or gunmetal finish? I think I'm leaning towards gunmetal. Now, do I want to do drop cloth curtain panels or actual curtain panels? Babe, I'm struggling. This one's good, just basic, simple, but more expensive. This is the cheapest option. I don't want that. There's also these, but they might be too feminine. Hold up. Will that be the right one?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, it's so nice. So much freaking better. Are you kidding me? That whole space looks less cramped. I love it. Good job, babe.
Yeah. Why? Why would I have to take it down?
Because what if I can't get glass?
Oh, okay, so.
If you want to do it, I would love to see what it looks like.
Okay.
I knew it. I was gonna say there's got to be a stink bug in there.
Oh, I'd be shocked if there wasn't.
Hold this on there and I'll go
Sure.
flip the breaker.
Yep, no beeping.
I know this isn't right.
A medallion would work.
Well, let's go back to Lowe's.
Got those curtains home, didn't love them, so came back and picked up these instead. I was trying to be different, but I really just want basic linen looking curtains, if I'm being honest. The one thing I'll say, for the love of God, if you are working for one of these curtain companies, just make a simple curtain. It doesn't need to have the tie top, just a simple slide on the bar. I don't think companies understand how many people just want basic, no crazy detail things. Clothing, home decor, curtains, I don't care. Like, just make it easy, make it basic. I like these, but I don't love the tie top, but these are the best option.
Yeah.
Just make things simple. Why do you gotta make them complicated?
Oh,
Dang,
hi.
that's bright. I like it though. That's still not bad.
Mm-hmm. Like I wouldn't mind if we're leaving a light on at night that instead of this.
Really? It's a tie between being the most excited about the curtains or the flush mount light above the sink. I can't decide. Oof, probably the curtains. We've been in the house for about 6 months. We haven't done anything to really personalize it. We've just kind of brought in our own things. I really want to live in the house for a year before we do anything too drastic, just so I can figure out how we best function in the space and the best way to optimize it. That being said, I don't plan on keeping these curtains forever. I wish they went down to the floor a little more. The length per panel is only 84 inches and they really should be closer to like 90, especially since we put the curtain rod so high, but I really wanted to do that. The blinds, on the other hand, were an investment. We'll be keeping those for a while. What day is it? 4? I am going to bed. Bye. Mike's out getting coffee and he said that I should do a time lapse of the clouds. Look at those clouds.